Hello viewer, today we will learn about Ivan Pavlov theory. So my first question is, what is Ivan Pavlov known for? The correct option is B. Classical conditioning is Ivan Pavlov known for. Okay, question number 2. What was the unconditional stimulus in Pavlov experiment? The correct option is food was the unconditioned stimulus in Pavlov experiments. Okay, question number 3. What is the conditioning response in Pavlov experiment? The correct option is B. Salivation to bell is the conditioning response in Pavlov experiment. Okay, question number 4. What is extension in classical conditioning? The correct option is B. Decrease in conditioned response is in extensive in classical conditioning. Okay, question number 5. What award did Pavlov win? The correct option is B. Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine award did Pavlov win? Okay, question number 6. What is classical conditioning? The correct option is A. Associating a stimulus with a response is classical conditioning. Okay, question number 7. What is the law of temporal contingency? The correct option is B. Two stimuli must be presented close together is the law of temporal continuity. Okay. Question number 8. Who applied Pavlov theory to human emotions? The correct option is B. John B. Watson applied Pavlov theory to human emotion. Okay. Question number 9. What is systematic desensitization? The correct option is B. Exposure to feared stimuli with relaxation is systematic desensitization. Okay, question number 10. What is the significance of Pavlov work? The correct option is C. Understanding, learning and memory is the significance of Pavlov work. Okay, question number 11. What is the conditioning stimulus in Pavlov experiment? The correct option is B. Bell is the conditioned stimulus in Pavlov experience. Okay, question number 12. What is the unconditioned response in Pavlov experiment? The correct option is B. Salivation to food is the unconditioned response in Pavlov experiments. Okay, question number 13. What is the generalization in classical conditioning? The correct option is B. Response to similar stimuli. Okay, question number 14. What is discrimination in classical conditioning? The correct option is A. Response to only the original conditioning stimulus. Okay, question number 15. What is the spontaneous recovery? The correct option is A. Reappearance of a conditioning response after extinction. Okay, question number 16. What is aversive conditioning? The correct option is B. Pairing unwanted behavior with unpleasant stimulus. Okay, question number 17. What is Pavlov's view on learning? The correct option is A. Learning acquires through association. Okay, question number 18. What is the significance of Pavlov's work in education? The correct option is A. Shaping emotional and behavioral response is the significance of Pavlov's work in education. Okay, question number 19. What is counter conditioning? The correct option is A. Replacing in undesirable response with a desirable one is counter conditioning. Okay, question number 20. What is the role of conditioned stimulus in classical conditioning? The correct option is B. eliciting a conditioned response is the role of conditioning stimulus in classical conditioning. Okay, question number 21. What is the discovery between classical and operant conditioning? The correct option is A. Classical conditioning involves associating stimuli. Operant condition involve associating behavior with consequences. Okay, question number 22. What is Pavlov legacy in psychology? The correct option is A. Discovery of classical conditioning is Pavlov legacy in psychology. Okay, question number 23. Who was influenced by Pavlov's work? The correct option is C. Both A and B. It means John B. Watson and B.F. Skinner was influenced by Pavlov's work, classical conditioning. Okay, question number 24. What is the significance of Pavlov experiment with dog? The correct option is C. Understanding, learning, and memory is the significance of Pavlov experiments with dogs. Okay, question number 25. What is the role of unconditioned response in Pavlov experiment? The correct option is the A. Natural response to stimulus is the role of unconditioned response in Pavlov experiment. Okay, question number 26. What is the cortical mosaic in Pavlov theory? The correct option is A. Excitatory and inhibitory activity in the brain is the cortical mosaic in Pavlov theory. Okay, question number 27. What is the significance of Pavlov's work in understanding human behavior? The correct option is the A. Understanding, learning, and memory is the significance of Pavlov's work in understanding human behavior. Okay, question number 28. What is the Pavlov theory of learning? The correct option is A. Classical conditioning is Pavlov learning theory. Okay, question number 29. What is the conditioned stimulus in Pavlov's experiment before conditioning? The correct option is B. Bell. Okay, question number 13. What is the significance of Pavlov's discovery? The correct option is C. Understanding, learning, and memory. Okay, thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you.